Comfortable?
Yes.
Start करिए.
Yes.
What are the emerging technologies you have learned recently?
So currently emerging technologies, such technologies which are the potential has not been completely realized. Such technology named as there is one is artificial intelligence, one is blockchain, another one is machine learning. So
Okay. And what have you learned? What are the technologies have you learned?
so
Have you learned some technologies?
yes, sir.
Okay. What are those?
Artificial intelligence, blockchain.
Artificial intelligence.
Yes, sir.
What is the difference between AI and ML? Machine learning and artificial intelligence.
Yes, sir. Artificial intelligence sir, is such as artificial intelligence is a technology which emulate the functions of human intelligence. At the same time, machine learning is a repetitive or repetition task done by the machine, which has been provided input to it.
Can you give us one artificial intelligence example?
Yes, sir.
I think most of the people they use on daily or they have
Yes, sir.
On regular basis.
Yes, sir. For instance, in Android mobile phone there is OK Google, and in Apple phone there is a Siri, called a Siri.
Okay. Do you think AI is a threat to humanity?
Sir, if yes, if it is not guided ethically and properly, it can be a threat. But in a by and large, AI is the most helpful technology towards the human. If it is
it
unethical,
impacting the job?
sir, as recently our Union Electronics Minister Sri Rajiv Chandrasekhar said, AI is in currently development. We have to gauge its length and breadth properly, but at the very same time, it is currently not a threat per se. It have potential to generate more incomes, because with AI, the unemployed youth can find job. And so in technological sector, job can be generated.
But don't you think that with the use of AI,
Yes, sir.
the job which was supposed to be done by a person now is done by the AI?
Yes, sir.
So it will increase more unemployment?
Sir, in a recent context, sir, Odisha Television, a television channel of Odisha, named as Odisha Television, that is, there is a anchor named Lisa, AI anchor name, news anchor name Lisa. Sir, as Lisa is there are 7 technician has been get the job for Lisa. So, sir, it is generating employment. But, sir, in future, there can be a case when India will face demographic decline, sir, then AI can be helpful. But, sir,
one way is that Lisa, to create Lisa, 7 employment has been
yes,
done.
sir.
But what about those job loss
Yes,
done
sir.
by the artificial intelligence?
Sir, with artificial intelligence is declining, sir, in certain areas like repetitive task versus sir, IT testing task that has been taken over by AI. But at the same time, in manufacturing sector, we have very huge potential, but that has not been realized. The jobs which are taken by AI per se, that will not hamper the manufacturing jobs, which are.
Yes, ma'am.
You have done your diploma in
Yes.
Civil and
Yes, ma'am. Polytechnic. Yes, ma'am.
that was your electrical engineering.
Yes, ma'am.
From engineering to this administrative field,
Yes, ma'am.
how you have applied?
Ma'am, when I was doing my BTech, so I came to know about the career prospectus of engineering. I found out engineering can be a dimension where I can help people in generation, transmission and distribution aspect. At the very same time, in administration, I can work in health, education, also generation, transmission and distribution aspect. So, ma'am, it will be a multi-dimensional. At the same time, electrical will to be a very limited aspect, not as limited, but electrical can be up to extent. But in administration, I can work with multifaceted aspect of the society.
This selected your paper as public administration and economics.
Yes, ma'am.
What is your, if you selected
Yes,
this kind of, then
Yes, ma'am.
what will be your good step for the people?
Ma'am, my good steps will be, there are certain schemes like Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Gramin. People, the able beneficiary, those beneficiaries should get the benefits of such scheme. They are not benefited from the schemes. And all other schemes like Swachh Bharat Mission. The implementation of toilet is there. Government is giving 12,000 for construction of toilet, but that toilet has been not used by the rural peoples. They are still practicing open defecation in by and large. So my steps will be public awareness and public education to first of all to stop the open defecation, and then secondly providing scope to the people in order to avail the schemes, government scheme to the grassroots level.
What best step you can make for civilize those people?
Yes, ma'am. For the civilized people, ma'am, there can be 3 steps. One is, ma'am, technological transformation. Second one is teamwork. Ma'am, third one is providing them a guidance towards a better future.
What should be a person's leadership quality?
Ma'am, leadership quality should be exemplary behavior, ethical work, ethical practice, lead by example. Set an example for the rest of the people. And ma'am, fourth one is transparency. Fifth one is, ma'am, improvement of others. Improving others aspect towards certain thing. If someone is per se having a stigmatized towards the society or stigmatized towards a certain religion or caste, that should be improved. That should be a leader's quality.
What is honesty?
Ma'am, honesty as per me is presenting thing as it is. No, presenting black as black, white as white. There should be not a grey aspect of that.
Your hobbies are cricket, cooking and learning about emerging technologies.
Yes, ma'am.
Cooking as your hobby, you have written what is the best dish you are practicing or
Ma'am, my expertise in cooking is chicken biryani. I cook chicken biryani really well.
how long it takes to prepare chicken biryani?
Ma'am, my preparation time for chicken biryani is usually 35 to 40 minutes. My cooking time is, ma'am, 1 hour 30 minutes.
Do you prepare in a mud bucket or any other special utensils used for that?
Ma'am, in mud bucket there is chance of getting the lower sarata getting overcooked. So, ma'am, I use mainly pressure cooker type kind of utensil, which is aluminium or even that pittal, bronze utensils.
Aluminium.
Yes, ma'am.
Aluminium or bronze.
Bronze, I have used bronze one, the heavy type kind of aluminium utensil I have used.
There is special kind of utensils is
Yes,
there
ma'am.
for
Yes, ma'am.
preparing biryani.
Yes, ma'am.
Why?
Ma'am, because in normal, the day to day we use the utensils that are very thin layer of, utensils. Those utensils will, if we cook the biryani on that utensil, it will used to, ma'am, overcooked, and sometimes there is a burn from the below.
What is the for one major ingredient is used in biryani?
Ma'am, one major is the dry masalas. The dry masalas I use extensively, and ma'am, second is I use ma'am, like very small but very effective one is, ma'am, kevda water I use. And
is there any specification to use that kevda water in biryani?
Yes, ma'am. After dum, doing the dum part, then I used to sprinkle it over the biryani.
What is Lawrence curve?
So Lawrence curve. recall now.
What is currently the India's GDP?
Sir, it is about, in current price, it is about 3 trillion. But sir, as per the estimation of Economic Survey, it is 2.5 trillion.
And how much are we planning to achieve?
Sir, by 2025, we are targeting to achieve 5 trillion economy.
How your public administration subject
So,
will help you in the civil service?
sir, public administration is part key. It is mainly about implementation of the policy. And sir, being a Odisha Administrative Service Officer or any Odisha Finance Service or an Odisha Labour Service or Odisha Police Service, we have to implement the services, a policy of the government. So sir, public administration, talk about public means the people at large. Administration means sir, take care of the people. So sir, that will help in the implementation aspect.
Who is Jageshwari?
Sir, my village, it is named, my school, it is named, my village goddess, my school is named as my village goddess.
Swami Vivekananda.
Yes, sir.
Who is he?
So, Swami Vivekananda is an Indian spiritual leader. He talked about universal brotherhood and world peace at Chicago conference. We become very famous for that. After that, he established Ramakrishna Mission, and he talked about his learning of his guru Gadadhar Chattopadhyay.
There is a day celebrated on his name.
Yes, sir.
What is that?
National Youth Day.
And when it is?
Sir, the date I am unable to recall.
Cricket. Who is your favorite player?
Sir, Rohit Sharma.
Rohit Sharma. Why?
Sir, because his elegance, he having certain elegance in his batting, like the famous cricket experts like Sunil Gavaskar, Alan Border, and Sir Ricky Ponting. Though they have said that Rohit Sharma has extra time to play the cricket ball, which no other player has been. So he
In one ball,
yes, sir.
how much maximum
Yes, sir.
can be scored?
7 run.
7,
Yes.
not 8.
No, sir.
And how is it 7?
Sir, if it is a overstep no ball or a bouncer no ball, and it is has been hit for a 6.
Okay. Thank you. So Divya Ranjan,
Yes, sir.
coming to your feedback. This is your first attempt or what?
Yes, sir.
Pratham attempt.
No, sir. This is my third attempt in
Third
OPSC,
attempt, yeah.
but sir, of my first interview.
First attempt.
Yes.
Last dita kona itla?
Sir, twice failed to clear prelims.
Prelims.
Yes, sir.
केबे अछि इंटरव्यू?
Sir, interview 23rd.
23rd. कितने नंबर मॉक एटा?
Sir, this is my third mock.
Hello, Ashi. I think you are able to answer. Yes, you are able to answer overall questions. Your clarity of thought is appreciated.
Yes.
जो clarity अपन कहू छथि जिनस भलो अछि. Sequence भी बहुत बढ़िया अछि जो स्टेप बाय स्टेप अपन कहू छथि. ओके.
Yes.
कि तो एठी बडा इंटरेस्टिंग देखो छी स्पेशल अचीवमेंट लेके जो लीडरशिप क्वालिटी.
Yes.
It's not an achievement.
Sir, it is like I was the captain of my cricket team, college cricket team. I won 7 tournaments. I played 7 and won them 7 tournaments.
And you should mention that.
You have to mention it.
Man?
You have to mention
जो
it.
जिनसटा अपन कहिले सेटा मेंशन करिवे.
Okay. Okay.
Leadership qualities itself is a quality. It cannot be an achievement.
Yes.
Achievement is a tangible
Yes, sir.
or recognition which you got.
Yes. Sir.
जो अपन कहउछन क्रिकेट सेटा को मेंशन करिवे सेठु जणा पड़छ अपन यू हैव लीडरशिप करिवे.
Yes.
Not the vice versa.
Yes.
Okay. So leadership quality should not be the achievement.
Yes, sir.
ताको अपन रिमूव करिके जोडा अपन मेंशन
Exactly, sir. Exactly. Sir, another question can I ask? Sir, actually, I was represented Odisha at Indian Students' Parliament at Pune.
Yes.
So, can I put that?
Yes,
Or-
you can.
I can put.
Yes.
Yes.
You can. Prepared on that
Yes, sir.
aspect. Okay.
Yes.
But for preference of service you have given only 4 बाकी
Sir, ମୁଁ ଏଇଠି CIF ଫୁଲ୍ କରୁ କରୁ ସେ ଟିକେ ଜଲ୍ଦି
जल्दी रन करो. पब्लिक एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन इकोनॉमिक्स आसीबो क्वेश्चन
यस सर
प्रिपेयर हेबे
यस सर
क्रिकेट कुकिंग लर्निंग अबाउट इमर्जिंग टेक्नोलॉजी अपन तो आंसर देई छी
Yes.
आंसर एआई विषय अपन
Yes.
ओके किंतु बी प्रिपेयर्ड ऑन द अपन अधिक डिफेंड करथले
यस सर
ऑलवेज रिमेंबर नेवर आर्ग्यू विद द बोर्ड
यस सर
ठीक
Okay,
है
okay.
बिकॉज़ बोर्ड पेपर लाइक आई एम एम्फसाइजिंग
यस सर
what about the jobs which
Yes.
are being lost by AI?
यस सर
So you are trying to argue that AI is giving more jobs.
यस सर
That the intent of the question
Yes, sir.
कि जो मानकर जॉब लॉस हे गला से मानकर कोन हो
यस सर
आपण ताको कहि परिबे कि AI जेहेतु एबे हमको टेक्नोलॉजिकल एडवांस होबा को पड़िबो
यस सर
सो इट इज एक्सपेक्टेड जो ह्यूमन बीइंग से माने निजर स्किल को अपग्रेड करी कि
Yes, sir.
अदर फील्ड रे जिबा पे
Sir, I was coming to that answer, but that Lisa example struck me nowhere. So I thought ki let me give this answer. If sir asking me again, then sir I will go to that
that
answer.
opportunity will never come.
Yes, sir. That is what happened. I was just about to tell ki okay, so those who need to in job market in a capitalistic society or capitalistic economy, we need to upgrade our skills.
Upgrade our skill.
In government
Yes.
also we have to upgrade your skill. There is midterm training. Otherwise, fire technology is also always there. Those who are not suited to do the job, they will be fired.
So tell us precisely what they are expected to listen.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Right?
sir. Yes,
ठीक है?
yes.
पढ़ी नेबे टिके बाकी करंट अफेयर्स टिके देखि नेबे चंद्रयान यूसीसी
हाँ सर से तो देखा है सेगुड़ा सर
ओडिसा रे कोन कोन गवर्नमेंट स्कीम्स अछि
ये सर सेगुड़ा तो
पूरी
देखी
डिस्ट्रिक्ट
है।
आपनकर
पूरी
पूरी ऊपर प्रश्न आसी करे
सर पूरी
जगन्नाथଙ୍କର कल्चर ऊपर
पूरी प्रिपेयर करछि सर आ ओडिसा भी भल से प्रिपेयर करछि ओडिसा एट द रेट ग्लांस ऑफ ओडिसा जो 2016 डॉक्यूमेंट तो लेटेस्ट थिला सेही लाइन रे लेटेस्ट डाटा बाहर करी कि बजट इकोनॉमिक सर्वे
प्रिपेयर करि छ बहुत आर्टिकुलेटेड आंसर है भल है
यस
जस्ट खाली छोटो मोटो जिनसे मु हाईलाइट कर दे
यस
कोन
सर
पॉइंट
यस
ता ऊपर टी फोकस कर
सर तले से जो स्पेशल अचीवमेंट रे कोन लिखिबी
जोटा
एग्जैक्टली
एग्जैक्टली स्पेशल अचीवमेंट
टिके सर जब तुम ओरिजिनल डायब फिल करिवे आपन को टिके टेक्स्ट करिवे
हाँ।
आपन टिके गाइड कर देबे
जोटा अपन स्पोर्ट्स विषय पर
हाँ
मेंशन
सर
करियो
हाँ सर किंतु सर कथा लगी तो किसी सर्टिफिकेट तो किसी माने
दरकार
दरकार
नहीं
नहीं
देखिबे नहीं
यस